upbeat music playing. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we compare the latest gadgets to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, featuring the iRobot Roomba 692 and the Roborock Q7 Max. On the left, we have the Roomba 692, your friendly neighborhood vacuum cleaner. And on the right, the Roborock Q7 Max, which is basically the Iron Man of robot vacuums. Let's get ready to rumble. Or should I say, vacuum. Winks. Alright folks, let's start with the big one. Price. The Roomba 692 comes in at a budget-friendly $269. Perfect for those of us who want to clean smarter without breaking the bank. But if you're feeling a little fancier and your wallet doesn't mind a workout, the Roborock Q7 Max is priced at $599. That's right, folks, it's more expensive than a gym membership you never use. Next, let's talk cleaning power. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes. It's like having a tiny team of superheroes cleaning your floors. Reviewers love its efficiency, especially on hardwood floors, but note it can struggle with thicker rugs. But wait, the Roborock Q7 Max brings out the big guns with a whopping 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like having a black hole on wheels. This thing could probably suck up your lost socks and that one earring you've been looking for since last Christmas. Reviewers rave about its powerful suction and thorough cleaning. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Roomba 692 is a vacuum through and through. If you need mopping, well, you're on your own. But the Roborock Q7 Max? Oh, it's not just a vacuum. It's a vacuum and a mop. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. So if you spill your coffee while watching cat videos, this bad boy has got you covered. Reviewers appreciate its dual functionality, although some mention minor issues with water streaks while mopping. Moving on to brains over brawn. The Roomba 692 comes with adaptive navigation. It's pretty smart, using advanced sensors to navigate under and around furniture. Think of it as the Sherlock Holmes of robot vacuums. Reviewers generally find it effective, but mention it can sometimes get stuck on obstacles. But the Roborock Q7 Max? It's got PresaSense LiDAR navigation. This thing is basically a spy satellite for your living room. It builds precise 3D maps and even lets you add virtual furnishings. It's like playing The Sims, but for real. Reviewers are impressed with its advanced mapping and obstacle avoidance. And finally, battery life. The Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before it needs a nap. It's like that friend who's always ready for a power nap after a meal. Reviewers note it's decent for smaller spaces, but might need frequent recharges for larger areas. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max can go for a marathon 180 minutes on a single charge. That's right, folks, it can clean your entire house while you binge watch an entire season of your favorite show. Talk about dedication. Reviewers are thrilled with its long battery life and ability to cover large areas. The Roomba 692 is praised for its affordability and efficiency, particularly on hardwood floors, though it can struggle with thicker rugs and getting stuck. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward functionality, but note the need for regular maintenance. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max receives high marks for its powerful suction, advanced mapping, and dual vacuuming and mopping features. While it's more expensive, reviewers find it worth the investment for its comprehensive cleaning capabilities and long battery life. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba 692 is a great budget-friendly option, perfect for daily cleaning without any fuss. But if you're looking for something with more power, features, and the ability to mop, the Roborock Q7 Max is your go-to. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay vacuum-tastic. Product links are in the description.